Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and double-click on it to launch the browser. Step 2. Now, let's go to the settings. Look for the button with 3 horizontal bars located in the upper right corner of the browser window. Click on it to open the main menu. Scroll down the menu options and click on Settings. This will load the Settings page in a new tab. Step 3. On the Settings page, you'll find various options and categories. Look for the section labeled Default Browser and click on it. Step 4. Within the default browser settings, you'll see an option labeled Make Default. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. A window will appear with a list of web browsers installed on your computer. Under the Web Browser section, locate and select the Chrome app as your default browser. And that's it! You have successfully made Google Chrome your default browser. Now, whenever you click on a link or open a web page, it will automatically open in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.